Greetings. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. So today we are going to focus on to this problem, which is under the topic called algebraic equation. It is called algebraic equation because here we have an equation. How do you say that this is an equation? Because of this equals to something, equals to 0. It could be equals to whatever number. So I took this question from grade 12, November 2019, paper 1. It says solve for x. Then when it says solve for x, it means solve for x so that we know the values that when you substitute them here and minus them with 12, then you will get 0, right? So now let's start. So the first step here, you know that when you have something like this, they are as well testing you whether you know how to find factors or you know how to factorize, etc. So meaning our first step is to open the brackets, right? Thereafter, you check the factors of x squared is x and x. Now, to find the factors here, it means that now you need to check the signs that you have here, especially the last term. The last term has negative, meaning it's minus, meaning the factors that you are going to find there, they won't have same signs because here we have negative. If here it was positive, it means we will have same signs here, and the same signs will be the sign of the middle term, right? So now let's start them. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 is 1 times 12. We'll be able to get 12. And then again, the factors of 12 again is 4 times 3. So which one is correct? Which one can we use here? We are going to use the ones that when we add them together, they must give us the middle term. The middle term in this case is 1. Any variable on its own, it has a coefficient 1. So now between the two, here, how you see which one is correct? Let's say now we are using this one. The bigger factor here is 12, right? And the small factor is 1. And if we have minus here, it means the bigger factor must have the sign of the middle term. Meaning if you make this one positive, then this one will be negative. So positive 12 minus 1, you get what? 11. You don't get 1, right? Now let's continue to this one. So now we have 4 and then we have 3n, right? So the bigger factor takes the sign of the middle term. So we have positive here and minus. The small one is minus, right? Therefore, 4 minus 3, you get what? 1. So it means this one is correct. So we can have 3 here and 4 here. It doesn't matter the order. The most important part is that the bigger one must take the sign of the middle term, and then the small one must have a different sign from this one. Of course, here it will be negative. Then our next step now is to equate, right? Equate these two with 0. So we have this x plus 4 equals to 0, or this solution will be valid when we have x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, then now when you equate, you remove the brackets, right? You must have something like this. So now, how do we solve here? How do we continue? When you have x plus 4 is equals to 0, it means now this one, because we want x, this one must go this side, right? We must transport this one to be this side. Therefore, it's going to be x, it's equals to this one. When it comes this side, it will be negative 4. And then this one, x minus 3, then we have x, we are solving for x equals to, if this one goes this side, it's going to be what? 3. Then we have our x values. That means this equation will be 0 if you can use negative 4 here, or x here, or 3 here. Then you are done. Thank you for watching.